Prepare jackfruit pulp with the strainer. It's a hectic process. Or with the mixer. With the strainer, it's a pure pulp or the juice without the fiber. Then wash the rice rava, add salt, add some freshly grated coconut. If you take 1 cup of rice rava, add 2 cups of jackfruit pulp. The ratio is 1:2. Add jaggery for further sweetness. Let the batter rest for some 30 minutes. Add some half a cup of water so that the rava will be soaked properly and the idli comes out soft. Grease the cups with oil to pour batter. Cook it for some 45 minutes. Then serve the idli with ghee. Aromatic, soft, sweet jackfruit idli is ready to eat.